Here in this video, we are solving a NEET 2025 problem basing on one-dimensional motion, very basics of velocity, acceleration, etc. It is given that the time, position are related to us as t equal to x square plus x. From that, I need to find out acceleration. So, if I have to find acceleration, first of all, I need to find out velocity. How can I do that? Let us differentiate this given equation with respect to x, dt by dx. That is d by dx of the given value x square plus x. That is differentiation of x square is dx plus 1. Right? So that's the dt by dx. But you want velocity. We know velocity is dx by dt, reciprocal of that. So your answer is 1 by 2x plus 1. That's a velocity equation. So the first thing that you understand is we are able to find out velocity. But our aim is not velocity. Our aim is to calculate the acceleration. What is the equation for the acceleration? The very definition of acceleration is dv by dt. But I have dv by, I have v and I have x. So I will rewrite this equation as dv by dx and dx by dt. This dx and this dx can cancel and I'll get back to my equation. The advantage of writing like this is I already know this dx by dt that has v. So I get the acceleration as s. Being dx by dt is velocity, v into dv by dx. So once if I know dv by dx, my problem is solved. I can substitute here and get the value of acceleration. But I know the value of the v. What is the value of the v? 1 by 2x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 whole power of minus 1. I need dv by dx, that is d by dx of v. That is d by dx of the value of the v that we have already found. So once if you differentiate this, I will get it automatically. Here I shall use a formula that differentiation of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here that n is minus 1. So dv by dx is n is minus 1, that is minus 1 into x is whoever is there, 2x plus 1. N minus 1 means minus 1 and minus 1. N is minus 1 and there is another minus 1. And you are differentiating with respect to x, where you are planning to find out v. Then there is a rule called chain rule. As 2x is a term of this x, I shall write that 2 as a kind of a chain rule in differentiation. Probably you might have learned it in mathematics. So the value of dv by dx is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 2x plus 1 whole power of minus 2 or minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square. So I got dv by dx. I know v already. Substitute both of them so that you will get an acceleration. Let's get acceleration. That implies, as we know, acceleration is v into dv by dx. But I know the value of v already. 1 by 2x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 whole power of minus 1. So 2x plus 1 whole power of minus 1. I know dv by dx, already I have found it, minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square. So the value of that will become minus 2. Get this also to the denominator because in options it is in denominator. It will become 2x plus 1 whole power of plus 1. And the denominator we have 2x plus 1 whole square. So your answer is minus 2 by 1 plus 2 in the powers has to be added, 2x plus 1 whole cube. That's how we get the acceleration. So minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. That's the answer. Option 3 is the answer for the problem. So it's a simple problem, but we need to know the basic rules of differentiation. What is the basic rules of differentiation? differentiation of x power n equal to n into x power n minus. So that is one rule. And here one important thing, this is called chain rule of differentiation. When you are differentiating in other terms, see here I have not written that kind of situation has not came, because differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus, so that is 2x. But here there is a extra term, you are differentiating with respect to x, there is an extra constant of 2 that has to be taken care using a rule called chain rule. Once if you understand that, solving these problems or this kind of problems easy for you. Thank you for watching.